Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Alexis. I did some DIYs for a boho safari baby shower for a friend of mine, and I'm wanting to share those with you guys, so let's get to it. First off, centerpieces. Here's a look at my inspo. I instantly fell in love with them. They're super simple, but it has like just that right amount. Vases, they have these at the dollar store. And then I went to go search for animals. Okay, so I found them at the dollar store. I was so excited. I got a whole bag of them, literally. There's so many options. They have elephants, giraffes, zebras, hippos, tigers. They have lions. They have like so many things. Okay, so I'm gonna get all the tags off of these and then we're gonna go outside and spray paint them. So I got all of my figurines laid out and I'm going to be using this Krylon metallic gold spray paint. Guys, these animals look great. They're so beautiful. I'm just gonna flip them over and paint the underside. Okay guys, do these not look so cool? Like, that gold really brings out all the details. You would never guess that these were from the dollar store. I went to Home Depot and I picked up this 50-pound bag of sand for $6.35. Sometimes when you're DIYing, things just don't go as you thought they would. I've encountered a problem. My large gold figurines that I painted do not fit in the dollar store cylinder vases I have. The vases are not wide enough. I'm still gonna make it work. I have thought of a compromise. So here is how they turned out. Okay guys, so this project is just a little decor piece I thought of while I was at the Dollar Tree. So I ran into this super cute canvas. Not about what's going on in the middle, but I love the edges because it's tropical and it goes with that safari vibe. And while I was at the Dollar Tree, I also found this. Now, I also don't like what's going on in the middle, but I love this really, really light pink frame it has. And so while I was there, I just put this on top. Perfect, it covers up, but it keeps the border on the edge. I wanted to do something with the baby's initial. I went to Hobby Lobby and I picked up these little wood pieces. And I also got just a textured piece of shiny paper from Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna take my bare wood stain. This is in color Early American. The way I'm gonna glue this down, I could use hot glue obviously, but because I want her to be able to keep it and use it in her nursery, I'm gonna go ahead and use E6000 just to make sure that it's really secure. Here we go with this. We're gonna remove it, move this backing, trace this real quick, get it on the corners already. And now we're gonna put it to the test. Go around here. I think it's gonna look so cute. Ooh, you guys. Perfect. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Brand spanking new. Can't even tell. How cute is that? I'm gonna go ahead and put on some little florals. I found these really cute florals at Hobby Lobby. They're really neutral, and then I also found these ones. Also wanting to incorporate some greenery and a bit of floral into tables as well. In these little vases, which I also found at the dollar store. I thought they were so cute because the shape of them. Obviously the color is not going because we're going for a neutral color palette, but I'm going to paint these, and I also want to give them some texture, so I'm going to go ahead and do a baking soda and paint mixture. I also wanted to mention that I found these super cute elephants at the dollar store, and they're actually a piggy bank. I have not tried these dollar store paints before, but I thought I'd give it a shot today. We'll see if they do the job. I'm gonna do like half paint, half baking soda. It's like half and half ratios. Ooh, okay. Let's start out with that. Might have to go back in with some paint. Oh, Alexis. Let's see what happens. Oh, you guys, this is so thin. You guys, why? Okay, so I have an idea. I'm gonna go ahead and just texturize it, and I'll just spray paint them after. I really wanted to show you how these turn out. Everything's nice and dry, and as you can tell, turned out thicker than I thought. So this could definitely work. It's obviously not full coverage, but it has that texture for sure. So I will go ahead and paint these, and we'll see what happens now. All right, and I'm gonna be using this Krylon flat white. Okay guys, so I'm on my way to the hardware store because one can of spray paint is not cutting it. I already ran out. Definitely gonna need a second layer. Okay, making our pit stop. Okay, let's see here. Where's our spray paint? Okay, I have my second coat on, and these are looking so good, you guys. I am satisfied. So now on to the favors. These are the ones that I found that were my favorite. I thought they were so adorable. Who wouldn't want to get one of these as a favor? Let's be honest. So first thing I did, of course, was I checked out the dollar store to see what they had as far as figurines that were small. They didn't let me down because I found them. So perfect. So these are what I'm going to be using. I'll be spraying them gold just like I did the larger animals. We got hippos, tigers, lions, giraffes, rhinos, elephants. We have monkeys and gorillas. Now, as far as the jar portion, I have a bunch of baby food jars left over that I'm going to be repurposing. I know there are options that I was looking at as well on Amazon, but I just thought, why not repurpose if I already have these? Just to give you guys an idea of the size that you'd want to use as a favor jar, these baby food jars are 4 ounces. I think they're a pretty good size. The candy that we're putting inside is going to be Hershey Kisses. 14 can fit inside each one. So now we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna start gluing our animals onto our lids, and I'm going to be using E6000 because these are not just gonna be sitting out as decor, they're actually gonna be handled multiple times by guests, opening and closing them, getting their favors. I really don't want an animal popping off. Okay. Okay, first one down, looking so cute. nice and dry. They're looking so good, guys. I am so excited. Now it's time to fill the jars. These turned out so good, you guys. I think that they are pretty close to my inspo picture. I love them. What do you guys think? Now the favors are definitely perfect as is, but I'm gonna go the extra mile. I also want to put a thank you tag. I got these leaves here from Hobby Lobby. They're from the His and Her studio, and they were only $1.99. What I want to do is use these as the tags. They already have the wire on the ends, so that's very nice that I can just loop them to tie through. To write my thank yous, I am using this Galaxy marker in white. Here's how my leaf tags are turning out. They look super good, but I have to admit that they are very time consuming as I'm having to give each leaf 3 coats, but it's all worth it. So our screen door broke a while ago. I decided to repurpose these windows because they're in perfect condition. Literally, you guys can use anything you have. Mirrors, picture frames, like literally anything, and repurpose it for a sign. I've got this window all cleaned up, and then I went ahead and I put on some artificial palm leaves. I just taped them on. These are from Hobby Lobby. And I'm using this glass pen in white by the company The Rainbow Liquid Chalk Specialist. That is it for my DIYs, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I just really hope, it gave you guys some ideas. Maybe you'll try something. If you do want to see how the baby shower did turn out, I'm going to insert that clip now. There is a bunch of Amazon products I use for decor as well, so I'll put those in the description box below if you guys are interested. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.